welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Leslie Boswell on the use of anhydrous ammonia on farm fields.
Now Leslie is back to share a recipe. In this segment, she has a quick recipe that is perfect for St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and everybody's looking for a fun treat to share. And we have one for you. Joining me now is Leslie Boswell with Common Ground. Leslie, you have a recipe to share.
I do. And you know how I love simple and quick. And this is one of the easy ones that anybody can make in about 10 minutes. You can have the kids do it after school. It doesn't take any time at all. And it's very easy to put together because one thing is that you're starting with a cake mix. And this is one white cake mix. And you alter the recipe off the cake mix just a little bit. There is 1/3 cup of oil and 2 eggs. And that's it that you put in there for now. I'm going to mix this up just a little bit, and it doesn't take very long. Now I'm going to add green food coloring. You can put in as much or as little as you want. I think I put in 8 drops there.
Okay.
And that should be about right now. Something else that you could do, although the recipe doesn't show it, that we'll be posting on the website. But if you wanted to, you could go in and you could put a little bit of flavoring in here. I've got wintergreen, I've got a mint, and I've got a peppermint. I think the mint is a spearmint. That is something else that you could add to this. So let me get this mixed in here. And I would have to say that earlier I did this and I did it by hand and I think it worked better. I'm using white chocolate chips. About 1 cup of those, and you could put those in there. And I'm going to finish it with a spoon. You could use milk chocolate, you could use dark chocolate, you can use whatever kind of chips you want. And it doesn't take a whole lot to get them all mixed in there. And then I use my little cookie scoop. It should make about 2 dozen. And you cook them at 350 for, it says 8 to 10. The last batch that I made took about 15. So that's going to depend on how your stove works or how your oven works. But you end up with really pretty, soft, cake-like cookies that are perfect for St. Patrick's Day.
Thank you, Leslie, very much for that. And thanks for being here today.